How would you simplify 2 raised to power 40 divided by 4 raised to power 20? I'm going to show you 2 simple and fast methods to do that without the use of calculator. Now, 2 raised to power 40 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 times 20. This 20 you can clearly see is also at the denominator. So this is 4 raised to power 20. By law of indices, a raised to power mn is simply a raised to power m, then raised to power n. So this can be written as 2 raised to power 2, then raised to power 20, then divided by 4 raised to power 20. Now, simplifying that further, 2 raised to power 2 is simply 4, so you have 4 here, raised to power 20, and then divided by 4 raised to power 20. Of course, they are exactly of the same value, which you may not have seen if you didn't separate this power into these 2 separate powers. So at the end of the day, that simplifies into 1, because this divides this exactly, and you have 1. So I worked with the power of the numerator. I could as well work with the base of the denominator. So alternatively, I could say two raised to power 40 divided by 4 raised to power 20 is equal to retain what you have at the numerator, which is 2 raised to power 40, and then break down the 4. I worked with the power in the previous solution. Now I'm working with the base at the denominator in this second solution. So this is 2 raised to power 2. 4 itself is 2 raised to power 2, then raised to power 20, which can now be written as 2 raised to power 40 divided by, this is 4, this is 2 raised to power 2. Then I'm going to open up this bracket with the same rule, but working in reverse this time. So if you have a raised to power m raised to power n, you can open up the bracket to have a raised to power mn that way. So this becomes 2 raised to power 40. And similarly, this goes into this exactly 1 time, and it simplifies into 1. That is how to simplify simple expressions like that. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and remember to give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.